Hi everyone, did I tell you that you matter? Come here.
Kevin, don't fall out my chair.
Hey, you miss out.
Over there.
Please don't put this in a video.
Who knows what I'll do.
You're gonna die.
And that's how you get yourself in a video. I just want to see what it looks like.
What up, Snapchat fam? I just got my new magnifying glass. I'm gonna magnify. This is Asia the White.
Oh! Don't ruin my table, Honor. Man, I'm so excited to use this.
You won't have any secret section.
Pure.
To sit.
You should see me in a crown.
Cut you out, Honor. That go that way.
Wow.
Story. Can we raise the camera just a little, or raise the ring light just a little? Like right there is good. I'm going so la 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 la. Hey, coming out, Honor. I did that, huh? Yes.
Genevieve, this is for you. Asia's doing a makeup tutorial for you, girl.
That's hilarious. I like it right there. I'm not sure if this is a good. Honor, tell me if. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Y'all, I got a new got a new chair, got a new set. Well, not really a new setup. I just got a new chair, really. That's all. And I don't know why, but I feel like this chair has just transformed my whole space.
I am her daughter, and I am supposed to do what the daughters are supposed to do.
Duh. You see what she's doing? I see what you did there, Honor. I see what you did there. You are exposer. I'm gonna expose you. You are exposer. I'm gonna expose you. Expose you. Oh my god, expose you.
Oh my god.
That's alright. I think I ate a piece of your hair.
Oh.
I'm Millie Rock. Wait, I'm going backwards.
What is that, babe?
Do you dab or do you Millie Rock? W-R-O-L-D.
You broke.
Oh.
You broken.
I'm Millie Rock on any block. I'm Millie Rock.
W-R-O-L-D.